Welcome back, dear students. Thank you very much for joining. My name is Hameed Asghar, and on behalf of Institute of Freelancing, I welcome you all. Today, we are going to discuss the distortion tool in CorelDRAW. So, what exactly is the distortion tool, and from where you can open up into the tools bar? As you can see on the left side menu, there's an option for the blend tool. Once you click on this tab or this group, there are multiple options, and the third is the distort tool. So distort tool in fact transform objects by applying, pushing or pulling zipper or twister effects. For example, you select this one, you select any of the object first, and as soon as you select the object, first is the preset, push corners, twister, stamp, zipper. You click here and automatically that will be transformed to a predefined shape. For example, twister, you select, let me undo this, let me select this option and go with the push corners option. So just simply while clicking upon any of the object presets will help you allow something like this. Twist is quite obvious that pull corners will do something like this. Twister will not work because it is already into the circle format. So let me select this one, this box, and let me pick twister, and it will be converted into shape like this. So let me undo this, let me undo, and let's go back to the basic shapes. And instead of predefined stamp tool, and zipper, as I told you earlier. And further, you can do each and everything as per your own choice also. So instead of using presets, here are multiple options. If you want this to be done manually, push and pull, click here, and with the help of mouse, you click either inside or outside. You can create things like this, but it all depends that where exactly are you, from where, what exactly is your starting point. I mean, if you're starting from this corner, automatically that will be centrally this, and the shape will be something like this. So let me undo this. Now I'm picking up almost the center point, and then I'm starting to create something like this. So have a look at this. That is the beauty of this CorelDRAW or this software or this system, that it in fact not only distort into any odd shape, rather it can distort into the required shape which you are interested in. So let me undo this and now pick up this one, and let's move on to the zipper distortion. So zipper distortion, in fact, let me pick up the center point and show you. If we go outside, it will be zipper something like this, right? And if we select this one and from the center point we start creating zipper, it will be something like this shape, right? So choice is yours. Whatever the things you are trying to create, you can do this manually. So let me select again this one, and let's move to the twister rotation. Twister rotation, in fact, actually gives you that's the kind of figure. Have a look at this one, right? So let me pick up this one now. Instead of going towards the center, here is the some other shape we are interested in. So with the help of these small tips and tricks, you can very easily not only create the shapes, at the same time you can do add new multiple shapes into this. Further, it will allow you to add new distortion wherever you are right now. Let me pick up this point, and with the preset defined shape, here we go. We are interested into another shape. For example, let me pick up this point also, and let me do this from here to again to this shape. So pretty interesting shapes you can create with the help of this tool. Further, it allows you to rotate, it allows you the degrees which you want to change, and then the center distortion and convert to curves, in fact, allows you to further modify this. You can pick up any of this point and you can do the same kind of distortion based upon this selected area. Same, you can do this. You can just pick up any of this anchor point, and then you can start creating along to this point, center point, and the whole shape would be redirected to that shape. And further, if you are not interested in distortion or distorting the tool, let's pick up to clear distortion and then again clear distortion two times. Click here and clear distortion and then skip. Click again, and sorry, we have converted this into the other object. That is why it should not allow me to further redo it, but there is a command that is control plus C undo, or what you can do is with the help of these tools you can keep on doing this, and you will be back to your original things. So that's it for the distortion tool. And before I sign off from this class or this lecture or this topic, there is an interesting things which I wanted to clarify you. That is, this distortion effect not only applies on these basic type of objects, however, this applies on this text also. So how can we do this? Have a look at this one. Yes, click here, and after this time, it will be converted into twistor distortion, correct? So now it has the option, you can do something like this. That is the center point, that's R at the angle. So you can do whatever you wanted to create. And with the help of this simple, small technique tool, you can create wonders, and all those options which you are interested in, that in fact allows you to do. Let me undo this and let me give you another very interesting. The first option is push and pull. Let me pick up this one and have a look at this one. That's the center point, and this is the twister distortion. The first one, sorry, push and pull distortion, right? So with the help of these tools, while clicking upon one or two times, you can create so many interesting shapes and interesting new uh, things which you can start creating easily. So that's it for the distortion. I hope you can use this tool for your creative work. Keep on doing practice, and I'm pretty sure with the help of these, you can come up with so many interesting new shapes. So let's move on to the next class, and up till then, take care of yourself and keep on doing practice.